Hello, good morning, everyone. I hope you all are doing well. This is your next experiment. You have to create a blender, and the size should be 8.5 into 11 inches, resolution 72, and color mode CMYK. So this time I'm selecting this design for a calendar, but this is for only your reference. Okay, you can also create by your own idea, or you can take reference from Google. Okay, now first of all, you can see in this calendar there is an one butterfly image, and this design is there. And we have to create. Just click on the create, okay, and go to the file, open. Now I'm selecting this butterfly image. This step you all know that first of all you have to unlock this image and drag this image to your main canvas. Just press Ctrl T to resize it. This time I'm doing little bit fast because I know that you all know the basics. Okay, this check it. Yeah, here you can see there is a one border, so we can make a border. Just add a new layer, just like this. Add a color. Okay, just hold backspace. And you can also copy this by using Alt key. Okay, wait. I just switch on the key press. This is, yeah, UI press. By this you can see which keys I am pressing. Okay, like this: left key, right key. Yeah, next. uh, Next part is you have to create this. Again you have to add a new layer. Just make it rectangle. Give the color of your choice. Control T and press Control T to transform this. Press Control and just click on this and give this shape like this. Okay, now again you have to add one box here. Give the same color and shift it to the back, and again press Ctrl T to like this, give the design. Now you can see here it is basically you can give the drop shadow. Drop shadow. Just change the angle like this. Okay, you just need to adjust according to you. Okay, now I will add the text. Let's change my color. Avenger design. Okay, Now next step is, again you have to make this same step. You have to create a box. This is just for your reference, okay? But try to make by your own idea, or you can take a reference from the Google. Don't copy this same one. Okay, now this Control T, same step. Now you know how to make the copy of this. Just press click and click on the center point. Change the color. Company name. You can write here the company name. Okay. Now make a copy again. You just need to change your font. 2023. Okay. Okay. After writing 2023, now you can add the month. Make the same copy and add the month. November. You can change the color. Like this. Okay. Now we will add this days: Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and our digits. So you can do one thing. First of all, take your text tool, okay, and make a box like this, okay, and change the color. Just write here Saturday, and I'm giving it. Wait. First of all, I just reset this. Okay. To reset characters, select your tool. Saturday, SUN, UE, WD, EHU, I. Increase the size. Okay, now you can make a new box. 01, 02, 03, 04, 05, 6, 7. Yes, yes. Okay, now you can make the copies of this. Okay, you just need to change the digits. Okay, like this. I hope you understand this whole process. So this is basically helpful for you. But again, I'm telling to you, you have to create your own idea, your own concept. Okay, don't copy this. Okay, you can take the idea from the Google, or if you have your own idea, you can design this. Okay, thank you so much.